Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Setting up your Garmin DashCam Mini 2 is really straightforward, and this updated guide will show you exactly how. This little device provides excellent security on the road, capturing vital footage whenever you drive. We'll cover everything from power to app connection, making sure you can quickly get your camera up and running. By following these clear steps, you will have your dash cam ready to protect your vehicle in no time, giving you confidence on every journey. Powering your DashCam Mini 2 correctly is the initial and most important step. This small camera usually gets its power through a standard USB cable, plugging right into your car's 12-volt accessory outlet. For the most stable connection and optimal performance, it's always best to use the power cable provided by Garmin. Making sure your camera has consistent power ensures it records every important moment, protecting you wherever you go. The next step is connecting your dash cam to your phone using the Garmin Drive app. Just download it from your app store, then open it up and follow the pairing instructions. This app is incredibly useful, giving you a live view from your camera and letting you adjust all of its settings right from your phone. It truly makes managing your dash cam so much easier, putting all the controls right at your fingertips for convenience. Finding the perfect spot for your Garmin Mini 2 is essential for getting the best video quality. You'll want to place it high on your windshield, usually just behind your rearview mirror, so it doesn't block your vision while driving. Make sure the camera's lens has a clear, unobstructed view of the road ahead, avoiding any areas that might be covered by your wipers or windshield tint. Proper placement ensures your dash cam captures everything important, providing reliable evidence. The updated Garmin DashCam Mini 2 comes with some really useful advanced features you should definitely explore. For instance, consider activating the parking guard mode, which keeps an eye on your car even when it's parked, providing extra security. It's also a good practice to regularly format your memory card. This helps keep your camera performing at its best and ensures you always have space for new recordings. These simple tips will help you get the most out of your dash cam, keeping you well protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.